This is my book. This is my book. These are my books. These are my books. This is his bag. This is his bag. This is her bag. This is her bag. This is Mary's pen. This is Mary's pen. This is the house of Mary. This is the house of Mary. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. It is green. It is green. It is their parrot. It is their parrot. It is Helen's parrot. It is Helen's parrot. Anne is a student. Anne is a student. I learned Silati myself. I learned Silati myself. We learned Silati ourselves. We learned Silati ourselves. He learned Silati himself. He learned Silati himself. She learned Silati herself. She learned Silati herself. They learned Silati themselves. They learned Silati themselves. Something is happening. Something is happening. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. One person can go. One person can go. No one can go. No one can go. All are going. All are going. Some are going. Some are going. Each one may go. Each one may go. Everyone may go. Everyone may go. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sandeep. My name is Sandeep. I am a student. I am a student. He is very happy. He is very happy. They are happy. They are happy. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I am not John. I am not John. I know John. I know John. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. He took half of it. He took half of it. I respect my teachers. I respect my teachers. I don't have money. I don't have money. I wish I had a big house. I wish I had a big house. I agree to buy this car. I agree to buy this car. Thank you. Thank you. Have you been to Kerala? Have you been to Kerala? Can you tell me about Kerala? Can you tell me about Kerala? Did you like the trip to Kerala? Did you like the trip to Kerala? I have come back here after a year. I have come back here after a year. Where did you go from here? Where did you go from here? First, I went to Mumbai. First, I went to Mumbai. Then I went to Trivandrum. Then I went to Trivandrum. What did you do in Mumbai? What did you do in Mumbai? Where did you stay in Mumbai? Where did you stay in Mumbai? I stayed in Ontario. I stayed in Ontario. Have you had lunch? Have you had lunch? Will you give me a pen? Will you give me a pen? Can you give me a pen? Can you give me a pen? Have you given me a pen? Have you given me a pen? Did you give me a pen? Did you give me a pen? I like mango. I like mango. I don't like mango. I don't like mango. I love to eat mango. I love to eat mango. Are you getting rent for this house? Are you getting rent for this house? I have got rent for this month. I have got rent for this month. Which bus are you waiting for? Which bus are you waiting for? Is it the same book? Is it the same book? Please wait till I come back. Please wait till I come back. Where is George? Where is George? He has gone to Kochi. He has gone to Kochi. How is George? How is George? He is well. He is well. What happened to George? What happened to George? How much water do you need? How much water do you need? I have eaten a mango. I have eaten a mango. Ramu has eaten a mango. Ramu has eaten a mango. Ramu had eaten a mango. Ramu had eaten a mango. Ramu has been eating a mango. Ramu has been eating a mango. Ramu had been eating a mango. Ramu had been eating a mango. Ramu was eating a mango. Ramu was eating a mango. Ramu will eat a mango. Ramu will eat a mango. Ramu will be eating a mango. Ramu will be eating a mango. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. Can you please sit there? Can you please sit there? Which book are you looking for? Which book are you looking for? Where is the school? Where is the school? It is not very far. It is not very far. Can you turn left? Can you turn left? Will you turn right? Will you turn right? You have to go straight. You have to go straight. I bought this book. I bought this book. Will you come back later? Will you come back later? George likes flowers. George likes flowers. I am going to Germany. I am going to Germany. I am not going to farm because I am ill. I am not going to farm because I am ill. They will reach here in the evening. They will reach here in the evening. He is reading the story. He is reading the story. This is his book. This is his book. Do you get up early in the morning? Do you get up early in the morning? What time is it? What time is it? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can I help you? Can I help you? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Do you understand? Do you understand? Can you say that again? Can you say that again? Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Where can I find a hotel? Where can I find a hotel? Yes. Yes. No. No. Maybe. Maybe. Always. Always. Never. Never. Of course. Of course. No problem. No problem.